So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, as you can see, nakaayos na ako kasi etong day na to, alis kami ni Heinz. We're planning to go to La Union. Yay! So, kung last time, prank ko siya, napupunta kami sa La Union, pero napunta kami sa Palawan. So, ngayon, talagang pupunta kami na sa La Union. Why? It is because for us to have at least a little rest, a little breather, kasi naging busy kami ni Heinz sa work, naging busy kami sa ibang important stuff na nangyari sa life namin. So, gusto namin kahit papano makapag-rest, makahinga-hinga and such. So, actually, napaaga nga kasi we're planning to at least go sa monthsary namin, which is sa June 25. However, it's a weekday, kaya kailangan namin planan. And one more thing, a short story. Dapat kagabi pa kami aalis. So, time check, it's actually 6:23 AM, June 15. So, dapat kagabi kami, June 14, like around 10 PM or around 12 midnight. Para, since 7 hours yung biyahe, para pagdating namin, okay na. Like, maaga na, masusulit namin yung buong araw. Pero since kahapon, marami kaming naging errands, nagpaka-ate duty ako, and same goes with Heinz. Matan kami ng recognition ng sister ko, yes. Grade 12 senior high recognition. Yun, late na tapos, so nagkaroon ng alanganin sa lahat ng oras, yung time frame namin hindi nasunod. And nag-celebrate pa kasi kami. So, ayun. And pagod, kulang kami sa tulog since galing kaming work and so on and so forth. Kaya kailangan namin pinush through, which is 9 AM yung alis ng bus. Yun. So, magko-commute lang kasi kami, guys. And sakto lang naman yung dating namin doon since ang check-in namin is 2 PM pa. So, yun lang, guys. Hope to see you around. And I do really appreciate thank you all for keep on supporting me, loving me, and liking the video. Or, alam nyo yun, nanonood lang kayo just to have fun or at least continue to parang pag-support sa amin. And gusto lang namin i-give back yung pag-support nyo and to share some things that we enjoy in our life. So, yun lang guys. Continue to stay safe, have fun, and always be happy. So, see you around or see you later. Come there on the beat, homie.
Alam mong galing sa hood, bawat move kung may pera pagbabad sa stool. Got no do, I got you. Money at bandana ko kulay blue. Tell me where you at, where you at. Ako nag-ahala, stay put like that. Tell me where you from, let me give you some. Pagdasan ka, why don't you come? Pagka-bombs lumapag, tapos swabe yung angas. Kayang ganapan, mapakali man ang oras. May lap na ako sa tus, nasa tubro na rosas. Lahat iba di bag, fully load, walang butas. Play safe, ano man yung game.
So, hi guys! Nasa La Union na kami. Like, let's say, time check, it's around, let me check. It's 3:37 PM, guys. Yun. Nakapunta kami dito ng matiwasay, ng maayos. So, I have a little story a while ago sa intro ko. Sinabi ko na magko-commute kami, which is sasakay kami ng bus. However, pagdating namin sa bus terminal sa May Portas, Pasay, sobrang daming tao, guys. And then, we are expecting na sana makaalis kami ng 9 AM kasi yun yung alis. But, sa sobrang daming tao, na-move siya ng parang 12 noon na. Pero upon checking sa next travel ng Pala Union is 3 PM. Eh, isipin nyo guys, 7 hours yung biyahe kapag bus. So, ang ginawa ni Heinz, nag-rent kami ng private car and a driver ng biglaan para lang makapunta kami ng mas maaga dito. Bakit? Kasi parang masulit yung biyahe or mas masulit yung vacation. Kaya mas bet namin na mas maaga kami here. So, magpapahinga lang kami tapos kakain kami ni Heinz. And then, tuloy-tuloy na yung alis namin at kung ano yung mga ganap namin here in La Union. So, we will be sharing you some experiences and other things that we will be doing. So, yan lang guys! So, nandiyan siya. Kaya nakabila kasi kami guys yun pala. So, see you around and see you later! Hi guys! So, time check. It's around something magsa-7 na. Oo. Kasi dapat kanina, dapat kanina, before sunset, Pupunta na kami ni Hines sa beach. So, pagod kami. Then, nag-relax na lang muna kami sa villa. So, right now, mag-iikot-ikot kami sa somewhere na pwede namin puntahan nearby the beach. Yun lang guys! See you around! Hi guys! Good morning! So, time check. It's 7:57 AM here in La Union. So, tulog pa kasi si Hines. So, right now, ang gagawin ko is pupunta ako sa beach para mag-check na pwede namin gawin doon. And then, kasi may malapit lang sa aming beach guys. Like, walking distance. Like, 2 to 3 minutes walk lang siya. Tapos, yun, pwedeng magmuni-muni muna ako doon or kapag sumunod si Hines, at least magagawa na namin mga first activities namin for today. So yun lang guys, see you around and see you later. So hi guys, papunta ako right now sa beach. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, walking distance lang siya sa villa na inanuhan namin, pina-check-in na ni Hines. So, yun lang guys. Naririnig ko na siya right now. Ang lakas ng alon niya. So, as of this moment, siguro mag-chill lang ako sa beach since malakas pa yung alon niya. Tapos mamaya lang mag-swimming kapag si Hines kasama ko. Yan na guys!
I'm taking my time, I'm taking it. Whoa, yeah, I like you, girl. No, you stay in my world, you can just go. Cause baby, this time I follow my mind. In order to love, you must love your own. There's plenty of room, it's good for your soul. Don't let these emotions devour you, baby. One thing's for sure, I know I'm sure these girls, they do come and go.
Oh, hi guys! So, yung plano kong magmumuni-muni lang. Makapag-muni-muni lang naman talaga ako. It's just that, nung na-feel ko na yung water, parang sabi ko, shucks, parang sarap mag-swimming or magtampisaw, parang ganun guys. So, as you can see, I'm wet. Kasi, guys, lumusong ako sa beach na mag-isa. Tapos, sobrang lakas ng alon guys. Hindi ko expected na sobrang akong tatangayin kasi guys, sa Zambales, malakas din yung alon. As in, pero, ibang-iba to guys. As in, kailangan mo ng safety precautions. Kasi pag hindi, girl, lunod ka, ganun. So, kailangan mo talaga ng proper waiting time para makalangoy. Sorry guys, hiningal ako kasi sobrang ko nilabanan yung waves. Yung alon. Pabalik na ako ngayon sa villa kasi di pa nagigising si Hines. Tapos, we still have many plans to do. Gusto ko na maligo guys kasi puno ko ng buhangin. Yun na guys, see you later and see you around. Hi guys! So, for today, time check. Patingin ng time. Yeah. So, it's 9:51 guys. Ayun. Nakapahinga-pahinga naman ako guys after ng sampalan sa alon kanina. Tapos, sakto din guys, pagdating ko, almost pagising na rin si Hines. Ngayon guys, ang gagawin namin since Father's Day, ayun pala guys, sa mga tatay dyan, at nagiging tatay, at mga future tatay, at parang tatay na rin. Happy Father's Day guys, yan. So, ngayon, mag-church, dadaan muna kami sa church para mag-pray. Since Sunday guys, always remember guys na, kahit hindi Sunday, kahit anong day, always pray. Tapos, give thanks. Kasi, napaka-importante nun lagi. Yun. Tapos, yun. Baka sa mga susunod, mga iba't ibang tourist spots sa La Union yung pupuntahan namin. Yun. We'll be sharing you some clips. So, see you later or see you around. Bye!
It's a little bit cold outside, a little bit mixed of your wild side. It's something that I crave in you. I know sometimes you.
So, hi guys! Right now, nasa bahay na ba to kami? Isa sa mga tourist spot here sa La Union. Bahay na ba to? Kasi lahat gawa siya sa bato. So, makikita niyo yung ibang what you call this? Ibang clips. Papakita ko sa inyo ibang videos. May mga figurines din siya guys na gawang bato. Tapos, may mga spots na pwede kayo mag-photo, ganun, photo op and such, so that you'll be able to have nice Instagrammable shots. Right? Righty? Yeah, so may dala kasi kaming tripod para may pang ano na kami, parang photo sa aming dalawa. So yun lang guys.
So alone, know you hug right now is your phone. So let me volunteer, connect me with your soul. Oh, feel it in my chest. You don't need to build a wall. We can light this after all. You're my summer in the snow, girl. Baby, be my guest. You don't need to build a wall. We can light this after all. You're my summer in the snow. Up to this day I've been yearning this to say. You're more than skin and clothes, so you can take it off with me, babe. Up to this day I've been yearning this to say. You're the signs of.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 4:41 a.m. or 4:42 a.m. here. Ayan, aga namin nagising ni Heinz. Kasi guys, hindi kami nakapag-nightlife sa La Union. Isa sa mga rason namin kaya kami pumunta dito sa La Union is to do the nightlife. Like, yes, hindi kami natuloy. Why? Sobrang lakas ng ulan kahapon, guys. Siguro, hindi kami nakapag-vlog na ng maayos. Like, around 2:30 p.m., nakabalik na kami ng villa. Galing kami sa lahat ng tourist spots. Hindi ba lahat? Yung ibang tourist spots sa La Union. Tapos, sabi namin, around 2:30, nung pag-uwi namin dito, pahinga lang tayo. Tapos, before mag-sunset, pupunta kami sa beach. Para mag-beach, tapos ma-witness namin yung sunset. Kaso, around 4, tama? Around 4 something, lumakas yung ulan, as in umulan, parang bagyo guys. Ang lakas ng hangin, lakas ng ulan, ang lakas ng kulog at kidlat. So, dun pa lang it's a sign na hindi kang makakapag-beach, walang sunset kasi umuulan guys. Isa pa naman yung sa gusto kong ma-witness dito sa La Union. Hindi ko kasi siya na-witness nung first day dahil sa sobrang pagod namin sa biyahe. Na parang, tawag dito, nagpahinga muna kami ni Heinz. Yun. Tapos kahapon, ganun din, sa sobrang pagod sa parang ganap namin, nagpahinga kami. Pero nakaantabay kami sa may alarm naka-alarm kami para whatever happens, magising kami, tas mag-push through yung ganap namin. Then, after sana namin mag-beach, tas sunset, pabalik kami sa villa para mag-ayos for nightlife. Para plano namin, kumain na kami sa labas. Yesterday, kumain na kami sa labas. Pero iba kasi yung kakain na namin sa may, dun sa parang alive area na talaga ng La Union. Yung mga kabsat, sa Fat Wave, and so on and so forth. So, yun lang guys. Wala yung quick story ko for today. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-closing kagabi. Walang vlog na maayos yesterday. Tapos, today, susulitin namin yung day. Kasi mag-check out na kami ng on or before 11 a.m. Kasi last day na namin guys Balik Manila na ulit. Oh no, back to work. Yun. Sulitin namin. Mag-dip kami sa pool. Magbe-beach kami. Tapos, pagka before check out, mag-ayos na kami. Tapos check out. Tapos biglang pupunta kami din sa makeup set area and so on and so forth. Para makita namin yung area na yun. Yun lang guys. See you around. And see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Hi guys! So, good morning. It's our last day. Pupunta kami ngayon sa beach. Kasi kahapon din nakapag-beach si Heinz. Kasi nga, nung umaga ako lang mag-isa. Kasi nampal pa ako ng alon. Tapos nung hapon, yung plano namin, sabi ko is umulan na sobrang lakas. So, hindi na kami natuloy. So, ngayon na lang, sulitin namin yung last day namin. Lalo na, maganda siya. Ayokong batiin guys. Maganda lang siya. Yun. Tsaka, wala, parang ang sarap din mag-beach pag umaga. Yun lang guys, see you later and see you around! So, hi guys! For today, ang gagawin ko is mag-quick villa tour tayo kung saan kami nag-check-in ni Heinz. So, first of all, the name ng villa is Isla Villa, dito sa La Union. So, yeah, here, let's start! So, first is the pool. So, it's 4.5 feet. pool. So, hindi siya nakalaki, hindi siya nakaliit. Napakaswak niya lang for group, family, and such. Or kahit couple, sa amin ni Heinz, okay lang yung pool. So, ang maganda dito kasi guys, yung water niya, may pagka-warm, hindi na kalamig, hindi rin nakainit. So, perfect siya sa weather. Same goes with green things like green plants. Yan, nagpapaganda siya. So, next one is may mga tables and chairs tayo dito. So, if you wanted to chill with your friends or with your partner or someone that you want, yan dito guys. By the way guys, strictly sila. Kung sino lang yung nag-check-in, yun lang yung pwede. Bawal extra guests. So, if gusto nyo marami kayo, kailangan nyo talagang ma-specify kung sino yung mga guests na isasama nyo. So, may little, ano tayo dito, umbrella patio. And one good thing about this place is the dining area. So, as you can see, pang group talaga siya. So, I think it is good for 6 packs to 7 packs. Tapos, dito is long table with 6 types of chairs. We also have bar area. We have kitchen area wherein you can do cooking. May microwave tayo. And we also have rice cooker, kettle. And we have ref here wherein pwede kayo mag-store ng inyong food, drinks, and stuff. We also have water dispenser here, cold and hot. So, yeah. Let's move on to here. Ito rin pala guys, maganda swing. So, kung hindi mo trip mag-swimming, yan, mag-swing ka. Ito guys, yung first room. So, naka-close siya kasi kami lang naman ni Heinz yung nandito. Sabi ko nga kanina is, it is good for 6 to 7 packs kasi we have double bed and single bed sa isang room. So, ito siya. So, let's go! So, ito yung entrance guys. Mini living room. So, this is the mini sofa set. So, maganda siya kasi it's, what do you call this? Hindi siya yung basta sofa. Pang Bora type, yung boho type yung sofa niya. Tapos the TV. So, it's flat screen TV, may Netflix, may YouTube. So, in front, it's smart TV, guys. Sony pa ka lang naman. So, ito yung ano guys, ito yung isang room na tinutukoy ko na close. So, let's move forward sa aming room. So, yeah. Hi, Tully! Yeah. Ito yung room namin, guys. Kami namin ni Heinz. Tapos, AC inverter siya, guys. Yan, hindi siya window type. And then, ang cute na mga lights dito. And then, ito yung single bed. Siguro ko kasama namin yung sister ko dito siya. And then, we also have here cabinet. Ito guys, cabinet. Yun, dito namin in-store yung aming gamit. They also have electric fan. They also have yung patungan ng makeup and such. Walang mirror dito sa loob, but it's okay. Kasi let's move forward here. So, guys, isa to sa favorite spot ko. Yan. Dito ako nag-makeup, dito ako nag-aayos, toothbrush and such. Yun, dito siya. So, magkahiwalay ang bathroom and comfort room. So, this is for the comfort room, guys. Yan. So, let's say si Heinz ihina, tapos ako naliligo. Okay lang, hindi kami mag-aagawan. Ito guys, mini pantry area nila sa gamit naman. So, toothbrush, toothpaste soap, and then medical kit and such na pwede nyo lagay. Kasi yung towels nandito since it's already used, sinambay na namin. I love this design as well, guys. So, this is the bathroom. Yan. They have shower and such. Heater, may heater siya guys. So, hot and cold. Tapos ito yung sampayan. So, ang maganda dito, dalawa yung sampayan. Ito, tsaka ito. Ayan. So, hindi kayo pwede magkagawan. Yun lang naman guys, yung villa namin. So, they have internet as well. So, hindi tayo problema. Mabango yung villa guys. Top notch yung amoy. Kasi nakaka-relax. Tapos, ito pala, I forgot. Yeah. So guys, sa room namin, ito. Ito yung view. So, pag gusto mo mag-swimming ka agad, buksan mo lang yung talon-talon. Pwede mo siyang gamitin entrance exit door, pero I highly suggest or I highly prefer na doon na kayo sa pinaka-main door. So, yun lang for today, guys. It's our last day. Ngayon lang nakapag-quick villa tour kasi mas maayos. Yun lang. So, see you around and see you later!